Welcome to Tesla Global, the home of the latest Tesla news. Today we take a look at Elon Musk wants employees to brace for biggest wave in Tesla history in Q3 and also, unsafe and injurious working conditions reported at Tesla factory. Let's get into the video. Elon Musk wants employees to brace for biggest wave in Tesla history in Q3. Tesla CEO Elon Musk told employees in an internal email to brace for the biggest wave in Tesla history last night as the automaker preps for 2021's third quarter to come to a close. Historically, Tesla has put an extended emphasis on the end of a quarter to bump production and delivery figures before the publishing of its quarterly figures. Tesla has offered incentives like free supercharging for customers to assist with end-of-quarter sales, but now Musk is calling on Tesla workers to go super hardcore for the next several weeks that could ensure the company's largest Q3 in company history. The end-of-quarter delivery wave is unusually high this time, as we suffered, like the whole industry, from extremely severe parts shortages earlier this quarter, Musk said in the email. Reuters initially reported the story. Musk stated that the coming quarter close is the biggest wave in Tesla history, but we got to get it done. The closing of this quarter could establish plenty of momentum for Tesla as it heads into the final 3-month span of the year, which has been anything but smooth sailing. Tesla, like every other car company in the world, has struggled with parts shortages. Musk stated in the email that the beginning of Q3 was extremely difficult, and Tesla even built a lot of cars with missing parts that needed to be added later. Of course, these vehicles were not delivered until Tesla could install the part. Tesla delivered 201,250 vehicles and produced 206,421 cars in Q2 2021. It was the first time the automaker managed to break through and deliver more than 200,000 vehicles in a quarter. However, Tesla has been dealing with unexpected delays with some models, and other cars in its lineup are sold out until the beginning of 2022. Additionally, Tesla has pushed back the production of its Cybertruck until late 2022 and the Tesla Roadster until 2023, Musk announced in August. The demand for Tesla's vehicles has continued to skyrocket. The company is currently building out 2 new manufacturing facilities that are set to begin production before the end of the year. One is in Austin, Texas, and the other near Berlin, Germany. Tesla will start production at both of these facilities with the Model Y, the automaker's most popular vehicle. Unsafe and injurious working conditions reported at Tesla factory. Tesla CEO Elon Musk defends against employee allegations of management's lack of compassion for workers' health and well-being at his California-located factory, employing roughly 10,000 people working with heavy machinery. But, it's somewhat difficult to take his words to heart after reading The Guardian's post, which shines a pretty shocking light on what some employees report witnessing and experiencing at the factory. According to incident reports obtained by The Guardian, ambulances have been called over 100 times since 2014 for factory workers experiencing fainting spells, dizziness, seizures, abnormal breathing and chest pains. And, reportedly, hundreds more were called for injuries and other medical issues. 15 current and former employees of the Tesla factory describe a work culture of long hours under intense pressure, sometimes through pain and injury, in order to fulfill the CEO's ambitious production goals. Jonathan Galescu, a production technician at Tesla, describes witnessing people pass out, hit the floor like a pancake and smash their face open. They just send us to work around him while he's still lying on the floor, he adds. And according to The Guardian, Galescu is not the only employee to have witnessed this type of occurrence. Many others have witnessed their coworkers collapse or be taken away in ambulances. Mikey Katura, a worker on the battery pack line, describes what he's witnessed. We had an associate on my line. He just kept working, next thing you know, he just fell on the ground. Overworked seems to be an understatement for the employees at the Tesla factory. Back in February, an employee by the name of Jose Morgan published a blogspot describing allegations of mandatory overtime, a high rate of injuries as well as low wages at the factory. His description of the work culture at the factory highly differs from Tesla's official images of the factory. Michael Sanchez, another factory worker at Tesla, exclaimed how excited he was to start working at the Tesla factory 5 years ago. Now, he's on disability with 2 herniated discs in his neck and cannot even grip a pencil without being in pain. Tesla claimed that Sanchez's injuries resulted from installing a wheel. Sanchez, however, claims his injuries were caused by years of working on Tesla's assembly line, where he was forced to work with his hands above his head all day long. Others have told The Guardian about repetitive stress injuries linked to working long hours. Prior to October 2016, workers described routinely working 12-hour shifts 6 days a week. Tesla has taken initiative against this, which has allegedly resulted in a 50% decline in overtime hours. Sanchez, as well as other factory workers, have told The Guardian that they believe more injuries occurred because, for years, managers would belittle their employees' complaints of injuries and pressure them to work through the pain. "We all hurt. You can't man up," is how managers would respond to complaints of pain or injury, according to Sanchez. Another factory worker, Alan Ochoa, who is currently on medical leave with an injury, says without hesitation that the superiors at the Tesla factory put the production numbers ahead of the safety and well-being of the employees. Factory workers describe a fear of reporting their injuries to management based on how injuries in the workplace are treated. If a worker is injured, they may be assigned light-duty work, and are paid a lower wage since they are being compensated simultaneously through the company's workers' compensation insurance. This practice is lawful in California, but the loss of wage is steep. A production worker explains how he went from making $22 an hour to $10 an hour after incurring an injury and taking on light-duty work, claiming that the practice, in a sense, forces people to go back to work even while they're still recovering from an injury. Between 2013 and 2016, the factory's rate of injury was reportedly above industry average, and Tesla declined to release its recordable incident rate for those years. Musk projects that Tesla will produce 500,000 cars in 2018, a 495% increase from 2016. Meeting this goal will rely just as much on the physical labor of thousands of Tesla factory workers as it does its futuristic robots. While improvements are being made to lower overtime work hours, which many injured employees at Tesla attribute to their injuries, Musk wants to increase productivity. It would seem his ambitions may interrupt his company's effort to lower overtime work hours, unless they hire more individuals. Many believe his ambitions are causing life-changing injuries. Musk said himself that Tesla is not a greedy company that trades the safety of its employees in favor of productivity. But, with his ambitions for 2018, a 495% increase in production, we wonder if more employees will be hired to stray from these overtime, exhaustive and many times injurious workdays employees have reported, or if these working conditions will remain the same, or become even worse. Mattel creates the perfect Tesla Cybertruck Lego kit that never was. Mattel Creations announced Mega would be dropping a Tesla Cybertruck build on October 15, 2021, at 9 a.m. Pacific Time. Similar to the Hot Wheels Cybertruck Mattel dropped previously, the Mega version will feature some specific, unique details that can only be found on Tesla's electric pickup truck. Mattel's Mega brand produced building block toys for children. Mega has teamed up with many well-known brands on some of its build sets, including Pokémon, Masters of the Universe, Borderlands, and Halo. According to Mattel's announcement, Mega loves the Cybertruck, which may be why it decided to drop a Mega X Cybertruck build. Inspired by the original designs from Tesla's upcoming release, we created a Mega X Cybertruck you can build brick by brick and customize to reveal different hidden features that can only be discovered while you build it, wrote Mattel. The Mega designers are committed, even obsessed, with making this model as true to form as possible. With over 3,000 pieces in this building set, you will be able to discover all the details like the sharp-angled exoskeleton, adjustable air suspension, armor glass windows, and even more Easter eggs while you put this brick model together. This buildable Mega X Cybertruck is the pinnacle of our devotion and literally puts the future in your hands, read the announcement. Based on pictures of Mega's Cybertruck build, designers appear to be focusing on the Cybertruck displayed during the unveiling event. It will also feature the armor glass windows of Tesla's futuristic pickup truck. The Mega X Cybertruck build is priced at $250. Anyone interested in purchasing the set can explore the Cybertruck build with Mega's interactive and immersive AR experience through the QR code in the picture above. More information may come out about the Mega X Cybertruck build set in the future. Hopefully, the set's production does not run into the same challenges as the Hot Wheels Cybertruck models. The Hot Wheels Cybertruck entered its own production hell, leading to delivery delays, similar to the Tesla's Model 3 production hell in 2018. Tesla Cybertruck fans would likely appreciate Mattel's Lego-esque version of the all-electric pickup truck. Tesla fans have previously petitioned Lego to release a Cybertruck build as part of its Ideas program. Even after garnering enough votes to be reviewed by Lego, however, the toymaker decided to deny the proposed Cybertruck kit. Mattel's more detailed Cybertruck kit could then be seen as validation of sorts, as it shows just how cool the all-electric pickup truck could be. Do you think Tesla is a good company to work for? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, then leave a like, and if you are new, please subscribe.